Hi friends, welcome to Delicacies on the Plate. Today I am going to make Barbie doll cake. First I am going to sieve all the dry ingredients. I am going to make simple vanilla cake for this Barbie doll cake and I will be giving the strawberry flavor to it. To this plain flour goes in half tablespoon of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Sieve this all together. By sieving all the dry ingredients, mix up together nicely and it gives a nice aeration to the cake. After all the ingredients are sieved well, keep this mixture on one side and let's proceed with the wet ingredients. In the mixing bowl goes in around 100 grams of melted butter. And to this goes in half bowl, that is 150 grams of curd, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, goes in around 4 tablespoons of fresh cream, now I am going to blend all the ingredients nicely so that it is combined well. It should become fluffy. So this will give a nice aeration to the mixture, to the cake batter. To the wet ingredient goes in around 150 grams of powdered sugar. Now I am going to blend this again for around a minute or two. I just mixed out 1 teaspoon of salt to it. So I have added that and I am going to mix it well. Once the wet ingredients are mixed well, now I am going to add all the dry ingredients. I am going to add it in batches. Now mix in the dry ingredient by folding technique so that the batter doesn't lose its aeration. Once one batch is done, I am going to add in the second batch and see to it that there are no lumps formed into the batter. I am also going to add around 150 ml of buttermilk to the batter so that the batter has a flowing consistency. Then goes in the second batch. Mix in the batter again by folding technique and repeat the process till all the mixture is mixed well. Now I have here my molds lined with the butter paper and dusted with butter and plain flour. So I am going to add in the batter into it and I am going to bake it in a preheated oven for 25 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius. Fill the mold till half of its level and the remaining batter will go into the other mold. Tap the molds gently so as to get rid of the air bubble into it. So now this is ready to go into the preheated oven. After 25 minutes, just check it with the knife or a skewer you can use or a toothpick you can use. It should come out clean. Then just unmold it and flip it on a plate. Let it cool down for 2 to 3 hours. Remove the butter paper. After removing the butter paper, I'll pop the cake into the fridge and let it chill for around half an hour so it becomes easier to handle the. Now I am going to make strawberry sauce which I'll be sandwiching in between the cake slices, for which I have taken a saucepan and I have added a bowl full of water into it. I'll add around 4 to 5 tablespoons of sugar and I'll let it boil till the sugar melts down. After the sugar melts down, I'll add in around 200 grams of strawberries chopped into small pieces and cook till the strawberry is completely done and also it gets a jam like consistency, it becomes thick. I'll be also adding this color and flavoring powder of strawberry. It will enhance the flavor of the strawberry sauce. So just add in 1 teaspoon of this powder into the mixture and mix it well. Once the sauce gets thicker, just switch off the flame and let it cool down completely. Now herein I have taken the vanilla cake and I'll remove the crust, the upper crust of the vanilla cake. And then with the help of the thread, I am going to slice in the cake into 2 equal halves. Now to fix in the thread, just make a small slit on one side of the cake and now just fix the thread into that slit and pull it from the other side so that the cake easily gets sliced into 2 halves. Now I'll just pull it across. Once the cake is sliced, just keep it aside and I'll repeat the process with the other sponge cake. After cutting the second sponge cake, now I'll keep this aside and I'll start assembling the cakes to make the Barbie doll cake. Now herein I have the sponge cake and the icing. So I'll just apply a little bit of icing frosting cream onto the plate so that the sponge cake doesn't move. It is fixed to the plate. Now I'll keep 1 slice of sponge cake onto the plate. I'll apply a layer of frosting on the cake and then I'll put the other slice of the sponge cake onto it. On this cake I am going to apply a very thin layer of frosting because I am also going to sandwich the strawberry sauce. So after applying a very thin layer of frosting, I'll spread strawberry sauce on the sponge cake. Now goes in a good layer of strawberry sauce. Spread it nicely and before putting the third layer of sponge cake onto it, I'll also apply a thin layer of frosting to the sponge cake and then I'll put the sponge cake onto the strawberry sauce. Now apply a good layer of frosting onto this sponge cake too. Now herein I have the doll and this I am going to insert into the cake. So after the last slice of the sponge cake, I am going to give a nice conical shape to the cake. So the last slice of the slab, you can see that it is a bit conical. So cut down the edges and give a nice finish with the help of the frosting to get the dome-like structure. I'm going to decorate it by making rosettes onto it and also insert the doll so that the dome-shaped cake will give a nice ball gown look. Finish off with the making of the rosettes. Now with a small star nozzle, just decorate the upper part of the body, making small stars throughout. Now here you can see the doll cake is complete. I'm going to make it more colorful by using sugar balls, colorful sugar balls I'm going to use to decorate it. So with this I'm going to select the pink colored balls to make the neckline, and one sugar ball I'm going to put in the center of the each rosette. so that it will give a nice flower like look. Now I'll start decorating the neckline. Herein I am keeping the color consistent with pink color sugar balls. Now to make the dress more colorful, I am going to sprinkle some flavored strawberry powder. So this will give a nice reddish color to the dress. And finally on the edges I am going to place thin slices of strawberry. So herein the strawberry flavored Barbie doll cake is ready. If you have liked this recipe, do give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe for more such cake recipes and delicacies on the plate.